G'day riders and dronies. I'm at the Bringba Range tunnel and it's like a half a kilometre long tunnel, and I'm going to do something crazy and send my drone into active track to follow me into this tunnel. And it's pitch dark, so God knows what's going to happen. Is the drone just going to spasm out and explode, or is it going to survive? So let's take a quick look and see what happens. At that height. Okay, got active track down. Okay, looks like the tunnel's clear. Let's see what happens. Oh my God. Nervous here. Okay. So what will happen to this drone when I ride into this tunnel? I'll bring it down a little bit more. Okay, here we go. All right. So it's lost me here. It's just stopped. And that's what happens when you ride into the dark, people. So now I'll just reverse that up. Okay, we've got an instant answer to our question. The drone will stop in the dark. So very short video, but at least we have the answer. Thanks for watching and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.